Good evening from InvestSharp. This is Randy Smotone with your weekly watch list for Sunday, January the 10th. Well, the futures currently look like they're up. They look good, so hopefully we'll have a good trading week. Last week was an awesome trading week. I hope you all participated. Of course, we have a lot of earnings coming out this week, so that's something to watch. Let's start out with some ascending triangles. First one's Eaton Vance. Recent breakout, but looks good. Should have several more dollars to go higher. Of course, Apple. I've been watching it. Broke out. It's been consolidating ever since. Got support around that 208. Still looks like it's wanting to go higher. Intuit had a symmetrical triangle breakout. Come back and retested it, and now it looks like it's got an ascending triangle started. So a lot of volume coming in. So keep an eye on Intuit. Mercado Libre, we've been watching this one. It's got ascending triangle. It's near a support. I would say if it prints about 49 or so, I would bail, but I think it's pretty low risk buy point here. Rails were strong. Talked about this one Friday morning on Twitter. Broke out, lots of volume. Ascending triangle looks good. CSX did the same Friday. Huge volume. Transportation in general was performing well Friday. Canadian Pacific Rail. It hadn't had it just is right there at the ascending triangle point. Just broke out. Didn't have a lot of volume yet though, so keep your eye on that one though. Should follow them. Sometimes the weak ones take a little longer to take off. VMware ascending triangle looks good. Nice tight consolidation after the breakout, right up at support. Some symmetrical triangles. Parker Hannifin symmetrical triangle breakout. Lots of volume. Looks good Friday. It broke out. Amazon. Looks like I got a symmetrical triangle working. Just had volume come in right off that support. I like Amazon. I think it's going to go higher. JB Hunt, another transportation's got a symmetrical triangle. Lots of volume coming in here. Should break out to much higher prices. Texas Instruments. Come on, charts. My charts are slow tonight. Volume coming in. Symmetrical triangle. Just broke out. Wonder Auto Technology, symmetrical triangle right at breakout. Looks good. Some channels. Swift Energy, been stuck here in this channel for a while. Had some volume coming in, just now breaking out. Should be good for, another $3 or so up. FMC. Nice tight consolidation between 55, 57. Watch for a breakdown or a break to the upside. I would assume it's going to break to the upside if the market cooperates. Celgene. Bounce between 50 and 57. Should have about a $7 move. Volume's coming back in. I expect it to break out and should have a nice little run there when it does. Goldman Sachs had a kind of continuation wedge, falling wedge, broke out, went up, now it's consolidating sideways, resting before it goes higher, I'm sure. Rhino, symmetrical triangle breakout, come back and tested the back side of it. I think it got some volume coming in again. I think it looks good for higher prices. NetLogic, right there near support. Going back up, flagged out, looks good. These are all possible dip buys near support. I don't remember if I said that or not. I get on a roll sometimes. Microsoft, nice support buy, low risk entry there on Microsoft 30. Panera, right at support around 65, low risk buy point. FedEx, after the UPS earnings, maybe that'll give FedEx a boost. It's consolidating, but volume did start kicking back in Friday, so watch FedEx for some higher prices. IBM, near the 129 support area, looks good for some higher prices if the market's good. Tech seemed to be getting bid back up there Friday. So FFIV, another tech right near support around that 52 low risk buy point. Z Linux come back down, tested support area, nice little flag, and volume started coming back in Friday. Looks good. TSM, Taiwan Semi, near support at 11. You could do that. I would say if it takes out, give it another 50-70 cents, I would bail, but I think it'll probably turn and go back up. Some breakouts, ESRX, nice breakout, lots of volume coming in, should be good for higher prices. Foster Wheeler, it's got resistance right here, but watch it to break higher past 35, because after it broke out of this triangle. Clean Harbors, nice breakout, lots of volume on Friday. Joy Global, nice breakout, volume coming back in Friday. Should run another $7 or so, catch up with that run that Bucyrus went on. Potash right there at breakout. I think it looks good. Ags have been getting bid back up again. Freeport Macaran, if gold and copper and the dollar's a little bit weaker, it should take off and go higher. Granger, breakout right there, looks good. Jaguar Mining, another one, as long as the dollar's a little weaker, it looks like it wants to keep flying higher. Lots of volume coming in. Comtech Telecommunications, nice breakout after earnings. Come back, retested its 35. It looks like it's wanting to go higher. Lots of volume coming in there. VSH, nice breakout Friday. Looks like it wants to go higher. And of course UPS and an ascending triangle. Of course it broke out and looks good. Guess it wasn't UPS earnings. I think it was guidance higher. I think I said earnings, didn't I? China Green Agriculture. Ags have been good. I think it'll take off and go higher as long as the rest of the ags start running again. It looks like it's right there near a breakout. HPJ, Clack, another one right up against some resistance, but it's near breakout. Brookfield Homes wanted to break out, and then it got pulled, and they kind of sold it back down a little bit. But watch it to take off and run again and go ahead and break out if the home builders are doing well. Financial's been doing well. Watch for PNC to break out and go higher. Then some flags. BMC Software, nice little flag there. Should go higher with tech. If tech continues to pick up. Gardner Denver, bull flag. Looks like it wants to turn and go higher. Pega come down and tested that 3250 area or so support. I think if tech keeps going strong, Pega should turn and go back up and continue its trend. And of course, keep an eye on the refiners. They're consolidating after they started getting a little run there. They're just tight consolidation. Hopefully they should go to higher. And that's really it for today. Of course, I'll have the market analysis each day, and hopefully we're off to a great trading week. Thanks for joining me.